So you salary or flat rate? Flat rate, man. How many dealership techs you know salary? There's no such thing as a salary dealership tech. All right, we are giving an hourly rate. Now, the way it's supposed to go, the dealership charge, let's round it up, $200 an hour. All right. Some techs make 20 an hour, some make 30, some make 40. So if a customer come in, how much this cost to put a start on? It's 1 hour labor, man. All right. So they're gonna collect $200. Remember, they charge $200 an hour. Now, if your hourly rate $40, they're just gonna take $40 out of that $200. Here you go, dog. I'm gonna keep the rest. $160 is mine. That's the negotiation. That's the terms we negotiated when we sat down and interviewed you. All right. So don't be crying about it now. You had a chance to negotiate your pay up front. All right. $30, $40 an hour is no chump change. Don't get me wrong. But I'm just saying, because they're bringing in a higher rate, you will naturally want your hourly rate to go up. And I say hourly rate, not from a standpoint of you pay hourly, you have an hourly rate. All right. Yeah, every time they go up, we supposed to be at 190, but I'm telling you, depends on how the service advisor doing that week would dictate our hourly rate. If he's sitting on a kick-ass week, he might charge $150 an hour just to get quantity in the door at that point. Okay. Difference between quantity and quality. So it depends on what they're chasing. But no, I'm not. Easy. Nobody's salary, man. What's wrong with you, man? Easy. Come on, man. Bob, what up, Bob? JT, did you fix your rental minivan trim? Yes, I did. Put the solenoid pack in. I put the whole valve body in. All right. I'm driving it now. I might deliver it to I don't know, back Friday. I left my car over there, so we'll see what's up. I'm gonna drive it around a couple more days to make sure. Now I know it's fixed because it ain't doing what it was doing when I left her house. I don't know if you saw that video leaving her. Well, I wasn't filming, but leaving her house. I was come to a stop. Torque converter was the valves wasn't letting the fluid go where it's supposed. The whole mess. But yes, I saved one of these. Guys, I made clear in that video. Do not, I repeat, do not do a repair like that to a customer car. All right. I kept saying over and over in that video, hold on, guys, hold on. Because I kicked the damn transmission over and people go, oh my God, I can't believe you kicked the transmission. It's my car, man. I can kick whatever I want to kick. All right. So yes, I kicked the damn transmission over. I got the part out I needed. I put it on my car. My point is that video would come off as looking reckless. All right. I probably shouldn't have recorded, but when you're a content creator, all content matter. You just edit the way you just diffuse the system the video by way of editing. Yes, the answer to your question is yeah, it's done, man. Done and out driving it. JT, Ganesh, what is better, working for dealership or mom and pops? Depends on your goal. I chose one brand, one car maker, I don't know what you call it. Okay. Yes, fresh out of school or whatever, you graduate, you're like, all right, what do I do now? You got Goodyear right here, and you got a Chrysler dealer over here, or you got Firestone right here, or you got a GM dealership right here. The difference to me is your brain and your head and your skills at maintaining information, because at those independents, you're going to be dealing with all different makes and models, as opposed to a dealership. You will be focusing on a brand. FCA is like what? Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram, and there's some more after that. Okay, so yes, it's easy on the brain and easy on the toolbox. Okay, so let me see if I answer that. What is better, working for a dealership? You ask me, I'm gonna say dealership better, simply because I haven't worked in mom and pops in a long time, and I call Firestone, Pep Boys, and Goodyear mom and pops. I haven't worked there in a long time. I've been in the dealership for the last 2 decades. So yeah, I have to say dealership. And I always manage to squeeze this in here when somebody asks this. If you're gonna do that, try not to specialize. Learn the complete car from bumper to bumper. From the front bumper where the engine's at, all the way to the rear where the differential's at. In other words, learn all aspects of the car. You'll thank me later. Okay, you'll thank yourself later. For that matter. All right. Yes, I was an FCA Tech level 2. That's what's up, humble. Level 2, we got to get that up, man. Let's get that. All you got to, what is it? Take some tests, take some courses, pass some tests, and get some years under your belt. And you know what? You in this phase, you level 2 now, you phasing into the EV. So most of the gasoline stuff slowly pushing out. So you jumped in at the right time. You're still going to get some gasoline combustion engine training. And you're still going to get, well, we're going to phase into the new stuff. So this could be a good thing for you. You're going to get the best of both. You know what I mean? Scotty right. BS hating on GM still. Really? Yes. That means he gave us a break. I had called him up the other day. I like, Scotty, man, you might want to give FCA a break, man. Go pick on GM or Ford or something, man. Give us a break, man. All right, JT, for you, I do it, buddy, because we're bored. Remember, we're going to figure out a time so we can live stream together. Remember, JT, me and you, JT, Scotty Gilmore and JT the car guy. We go. But, I called him up the other day, asked him to give us a break, man, on the bashing. Scotty only knows what the internet tells him. Only Dart Hemi would jump in and spit that out. Yes, it's called regurgitating news. That is a tactic content creators use. I've been known to do that. My thing is, I can't memorize this stuff. I tried the teleprompter thing one time. It looks like I was reading, and that come off as fake. All right, I want to be able to just flow. Scotty ain't read no teleprompter. He just, he'll grab, and you know that Scotty Kilmore is chopped. So, like, he might grab a piece of. Now you know what? Yeah. So it's a lot of ways you can edit a video. I like to flow, and whatever's in here just gonna come out. It is what it is. I can't memorize. I wanted to come out the way I want. I want to JTize it anyway. So yeah. Yes. We all make content like that. Dart, get a man a break. Dart, damn, man, you being hard on Scotty, man. Get Scotty a break. JT biggest reveal was that stop ticking 100 weight oil. What are we talking about, man? Stop ticking 100 weight oil. Whoa. I'm not gonna mess with that one. I don't know what you're talking about, man. Coolant line broke. Going 70 miles per hour. No smoke, no smell. Then all hell broke loose. Sorry, my friend. Not sure what happened, but sorry that happened to you. Either I missed the comment or something. I don't know. Scotty got soft, clean hands. Dart, man, we're not gonna do this today, man.